Welcome back users. In today's video, we will do the expert install of LXQT desktop using the Synaptic Package Manager. So let us start. Open the Synaptic Package Manager from the application menu and search for the LXQT desktop if it is available in the list, scrolling list at the left side. So it is not XFC is there, but we cannot see the LXQT desktop. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to search for the LXQT. So LXQT you have to type and type desktop also. Okay, so now this is the LXQT desktop. So you have to find the LXQT desktop. Yes, here this is it. So you have to select this task LXQT desktop and mark it for installation. It will pull all the dependencies. So all the dependent packages for the LXQT desktop will be automatically selected. And if you want, you can select some more packages like education if you want, LXQT build tools if you are a developer, so LXQT runner if you want. Then I think there is some more packages. No, so this is it. So all the packages have been selected, and LXQT core itself is a meta package for the LXQT core, so it will pull the LXQT core packages. So I think this is all that is in the LXQT desktop. If you want, you can see it again. So runner is there, panel is there, this is the password manager. Oh, it's GUI dialog for the LXQT. Okay, LXQT build tools core is there. LXQT is the meta package for LXQT. LXQT branding for the Debian desktop. So this is it. And now you have to apply this. So it will show you what different files are going to be installed. So LXQT being dependent on the Qt language, Qt development tools, it will also pull the Wayland data as a dependency and the lib kfi packages. So these are all Qt packages. So those will be all pulled and selected and pulled and installed. So here you can see which packages are going to get installed, and it will pull the SDDM also. So SDDM is the display manager of KDE, so it will work with the LXQT desktop. And upower is the universal power management. So some base files for the LXQT desktop, distro info data, all this it is going to get selected. So 21 packages will be held back and not upgraded. 68 packages will be installed. 66 MB of extra space will be used, and 16.5 MB have to be downloaded. So we applied here, and now the installation, downloading of the package file and installation will be done. And we have to reboot the system, and in the next login we can use the LXQT session and login and then start using the LXQT desktop. So it was very easy. There was only issue with the KDE desktop. There is some unfulfilled dependencies are there. So they are not shown in the recommended list for installation, nor any extra packages that need to be installed. So that is the issue with the KDE desktop. Otherwise, I think this is working fine. If you want, you can see the verbos here. So you will understand what exactly is happening in the system. Yes, now it is asking for the default display manager. We can safely select the option 2 and input it, because we are done with the XFC desktop review. So anyway, we can uninstall it. In the next video, we will check out the LXQT desktop, and next video next to the LXQT desktop review will be installation of KDE desktop using the task selection. So we will try to install the desktop using the task selection and check out whether it works, because KDE desktop installation failed many times using the Synaptic Package Manager. We tried the different options like the KDE standard, KDE full desktop, then the task KDE desktop. Everything has failed. 3-4 options all have failed. Then we tried to install the desktop using the KDE desktop section, that also failed. So four different ways have failed. But this LXQT desktop is installing fine. There won't be any issue with the LXQT desktop. So now you have to select this automatically close after changes have been successfully applied. So this will close this window, and then it is just kind of confirmation that installation is done. Then we can close this window and stop the video. In next video we will do the detailed review of the LXQT desktop. So we are done with the installation. Now we have to close this Synaptic Package Manager. I stop the video here. See you in the next video.